Welcome back to Car Warrior 2025. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's first ever SUV that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's check out what makes this beast a true prancing horse. Exterior. The 2025 Purosangue boasts an aggressive yet elegant design. A sculpted hood, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamically refined body enhance both style and performance. The wide stance, hidden rear door handles, and active aerodynamics contribute to its unmistakable Ferrari DNA. With 22-inch front and 23-inch rear wheels, this SUV commands attention on any road. Performance. Under the hood, the Purosangue houses a 6.5L naturally aspirated V12, delivering 725 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 190 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive suspension provide an unmatched driving experience, whether you're on the track or cruising through the city. Interior. Step inside, and Ferrari's craftsmanship is on full display. A fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster, a passenger display, and premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara materials set a luxurious tone. The four-seat layout ensures comfort, with power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats. The Burmester 3D surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive immersive. Safety features. Ferrari has equipped the Purosangue with advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. The carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, while electronic stability control ensures confident handling. Prices. Exclusivity comes at a price. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, with customization options pushing it even higher. Despite the price tag, Ferrari has already seen high demand for this masterpiece. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is not just an SUV, it's a Ferrari through and through. With its stunning design, thrilling performance, and luxury interior, it sets a new benchmark for high-performance SUVs. What do you think about Ferrari's first SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Warrior 2025 for more epic car content.